Hey everyone, how's it going? Azren the Language Nerd here. I hope you are doing very, very well. Welcome to another episode of Super Easy English. In today's episode, we are going to talk about phrasal verbs. Many English learners think that phrasal verbs are quite difficult and quite complicated. So hopefully this video can make phrasal verbs a little bit easier for you. This is the second video that I've made about phrasal verbs. If you have not seen the first phrasal verb video, there's a link in the description below. You can click the link and watch the first phrasal verb video that I made. With that aside, let's start. A very common phrasal verb in English is turn up. Turn up means to increase the volume of something. For example, let me show you. On my phone right now, there is a video. It is a video from my YouTube channel, as you can see, okay? I'm going to play the video. There is a problem. The video is playing, but you can't hear anything. There's no sound. Because of that, I'm going to turn the volume up. Christmas is probably the biggest thing that's new, or that's really going on. As I'm recording this video, it is December 20. So, I turned the volume up, then you could hear the video, the sound in the video. Sometimes, something is too loud. You turned the volume up, but now it's really loud, and you're thinking, ah, it's so loud, my ears hurt. Then you have to turn the volume down. For example, here's our video. I'm going to push play. Hang on. 4th, in other words, it is Christmas Eve. And so today, a little bit later. Now I'm going to play and I'm going to turn the volume down. I've got a Christmas party to attend to. And then tomorrow evening. See, I turned the volume down. And I'll be honest with you guys, this Christmas season was probably the busiest Christmas season that I turned the volume up. Another common phrasal verb that we have in English is hand in. So hand, like your hand, in. Hand in means to, most of the time for students, it means to take an assignment and give it to your teacher. For example, I am taking a Mandarin class, a Chinese class, at the university in my city. This is one of my Chinese assignments. Now that I have finished the assignment, I'm going to hand the assignment in. In other words, I will take this assignment and I will give it to the teacher. Sometimes at work, you can hand things in as well. You might hand in a report, you might hand in a project. So hand in usually is used in school or sometimes will be used in work. If you hand something in at work, it means that you give it to your boss and obviously not to a teacher. In English, we have another very common phrasal verb, which is put away. Put away, basically what it means is you take something and you put it in its spot. You put this object where it is supposed to go. For example, right now there are dishes in my sink. There are some plates, there are some cups, there are many dishes. I am going to take these dishes and I'm going to put them away. The dishes do not belong in the sink. The dishes belong in the cupboard. Therefore, I'm going to take the dishes and put them away in the cupboard. Another common phrasal verb that uses the word away is throw away. Throw away basically means to take garbage, like this here. Take garbage and throw it away. In other words, put it in the garbage can. Let me show you. Right now I have garbage in my hand and I'm throwing it away. Well everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the phrasal verbs in this video, or any questions about English in general, write them in the comments and I will answer. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.